All right, so welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel, to the Caspa community. Appreciate you guys as always. This right here is the most important update, in my opinion, for the year of 2024. And of course, I'm going to get into detail as to what I'm really referring to and why this is such an important update for Caspa. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And if you have not hit that red subscribe button, what are you waiting for, guys? Hit that red subscribe button and come join the Crypto ZX army. Looking across the board going into the day of the election, and when you guys are watching this update, it will already be the day of the election, which is literally in about a few hours, maybe 2 to 3 hours. I'm kind of making these updates a little earlier to really kind of test how the market reacts going into the day of the election itself. But looking across the board, things that we've been discussing are happening for altcoins specifically. Altcoins are down quite significantly over the course of the last 24 hours, and that is due to uncertainty rising right now going into the day of the election. Caspa down 5.1%, guys. Kaspa is down 5.1% over the past 24 hours, with the price currently sitting at 10.4 cents. Also down 3.6% in Bitcoin compared with the market cap at about 2.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at $50 million. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So let's waste no more time and really get to the main topic, which is Caspa's price. But I really want to highlight, of course, the dominance and the Bitcoin price. Looking at the dominance, it's on the verge of breaking towards a new yearly high. We know that. We've been covering that on the channel, and would not be surprised if you guys are watching this update and the dominance is already sitting in a new yearly high. Bitcoin is having a little bit of interesting things happening, and I think whales are really coming in and trying to manipulate the price, because of course right now the sentiment is uncertainty, right? And when it comes to that type of thing, remember, whales think completely opposite. So right now, if you were to just think from, the standpoint of the market sentiment, which is quite bearish going into the US election, despite whoever wins, the market uncertainty is still definitely there. And guess what that means? That means people are bearish. But guess what the whales do? They know people are going to start shorting, so they're going to come in and manipulate the price to shake out the longs. Shake out the shorts that have been piling down. So right now, Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a bounce at about $68,000, but I'm not buying it. I've said this in my other updates. I'm not buying this at all. I think this is pure manipulation. I think tomorrow is really going to be a deciding factor to see how this market really reacts, especially Wednesday morning, because of course election would be behind us at that point. So we're really going to see, is the sell the news event going to take place after the election, or are we going to see it leading into the US election? Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this. But Bitcoin, as of recording this update, is sitting at $68,000. But as I stated to you guys before, I am not buying this move for Bitcoin, which is a little bit of a move. But Caspa, guys, this is a holy smokes, moment right now. Let's kind of go back down memory lane, especially 3 months ago when I was talking about, bearish price momentum in Caspa. People were clowning me. People were saying, this guy's crazy to think that, Caspa is going to drop to these, 10 cents. There we are. Here we are, guys. And it actually did end up happening, believe it or not. I don't wish this upon anyone. I want everyone's coins to perform really good. I want people to be making profits. But remember, it's not sustainable. You could be making profits, but there's going to come a time where your profits are going to decline. That's just how the market works, especially crypto markets. If you are literally emotionally attached to a specific coin and you don't want to lock in profits, let this be a learning lesson. I'll say this 100,000 times, and I don't care how many times I have to repeat this. If I can get one person to lock in profits, I'm more than happy. And I know a lot of viewers on my channel, do this. Shout out to you guys. But look at this, guys. Caspa actually retested. I cannot make this up. 10.1 cent support. So, why was I talking about this specific level so much? Because it's a very, very important support level. And now people are starting to realize the importance of that. And your boy Crypto ZX has been giving you guys content on Caspa, not just now that the price of Caspa has been doing quite bearish movements. I've been making Caspa updates for you guys pretty much throughout the whole year 2024. So shout out to the people that are, and it's pretty much last year as well, but shout out to the people that have been here from the beginning and that leave, crazy, positive feedback. But anyhow, you guys can see this for yourself. Let's actually zoom in real quick to really understand what we're looking at. So you could see, guys, you can't make this up. I actually think the price of Caspa fell below that wick, just slightly, 10.1 cents. So some people could come out and say, actually, let me take hold on. Let's actually measure this. No, it was at the neckline. You can't make this up. You just can't make this up. I didn't even need to go into the closer time frames, but you could really see that neckline of that 10.1 cents price point got retested before the US elections. And the last time the price wicked down to this level was back in May. So the confirmation, we speak about confirmation on this channel on a day-to-day basis. This right here is the confirmation that we've been talking about. You got that confirmation, extreme bearish movements. And now, the worst thing that could happen is Bitcoin going down. If Bitcoin goes down, I do believe we invalidate. In my opinion, it's already bearish at this point. But I do believe that we do fall below the 10.16 cents mark this time around and actually do test that 9.46. So I do expect Caspa's price to fall lower than 10 cents now, especially due to this extreme bearish movement. And considering how high the dominance is right now and how unstable Bitcoin price, to be quite frank with you right now, is. So if Bitcoin were to even see a little bit of a minor pullback down to the likes of 66, we lose the 10 cents price point, which again is a psychological price point. So extreme bearish movements for Caspa, and it doesn't come as a big surprise to me specifically, because this is something I've been kind of telling you guys pretty much since, you could say, August, that we've been noticing quite a big weakness within the price of Caspa. But U.S. elections are here. The thing that a lot of people want to see is, Bitcoin bouncing after the U.S. election is over, depending on who wins, of course. But this is not good, guys. I'm going to be quite frank with you. Caspa has shown significant amount of bearish movement, and what it has been able to do today is not a good thing. And no one wanted to see this coming, but your boy Crypto ZX continuously, I sound like a broken record, told you guys that this could be a reality, and here we are. But enough with that. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are still accumulating Caspa. So to the people that never got the chance to accumulate Caspa at 21 cents, which was an all-time high, well, you could look at it on a bright side if you have done your due diligence and research and are wanting to a dollar cost averaging, money that you can afford to lose. It's down 51%. So pretty much, it's down, 50%, half of where it was, just a few months back. So some people think of it as a bright side. Some people are extremely frustrated that they did not lock in profits. But here we are, guys. Here we are. Importance of locking in profits. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Where do you think the election is going to go? Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.